today's video is going to be all about Momo the dog at the house. We stayed at Perth, Western Australia. So stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care, love y'all. Bye-bye. Oh, the dog. Momo!
He's just been standing there this entire time.
Oh, look at you. Hello. Hi, Momo. Hi, Momo.
Okay, yeah, he's
Momo wants to go to toilet. You want to go to the toilet, didn't you? Oh, guys.
He's been waiting for this moment.
You've been waiting for this moment, little one. Oh, little one. Oh, little one. So tiny and cute. Oh, hello. Oh, it's nice to be welcomed by a little dog.
Yes, I am Pirate Aryan, and we have landed off the shore of Perth to capture this dog. Our mateys.
He likes to be cuddled and played with like a teddy bear. He enjoys it. He encourages us to cuddle him like this little teddy bear. He does. He just encourages us to be cuddly towards him. He pretends to be a teddy. He pretends. He pretends a lot. Look at him. Bye, Momo. Oh, Momo. Oh, look at this teddy bear. Is this a dog? Are you Momo? Oh, meow, meow. Oh, my goodness. Momo. Oh, oh, oh. The baby's wriggling. Baby's wriggling. There he goes. Oh, my goodness, Momo. Oh my goodness, Momo. Why your paws are all... Look at him. He's so... Etiquette. He has etiquettes. Small little tiny dog of the century. Momo. Momo, the little dog. Oh. You become Aryan's new teddy bear. Oh, Momo. Momo, what you doing? You like that toy so much?
He's even hugging.
You're hugging your toy, Momo? You love your toy so much. Oh my goodness. Oh no. What is wrong with you, Momo?
I'll release it in 3,
Oh,
2, 1.
Yay. Oh my
Now
god.
he'll protect him no matter what. Release your toilet.
Hi, Momo. Hi, Mama. How are you, Momo? How are you? Hmm? Are you a good boy? Did you drink water?
Yes, you did.
You drank water. Mm. What's up, Momo? Ding 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 ding. Oh, Momo. Someone has finished playing and having a nap on the sofa, covered in a cozy blanket with a lot of paw prints and a nice pillow. Looks very cozy and comfortable as anything. Who is this? Oh, it's the little dog, Mr. Momo. Mr. Momo. Mr. Momo, put your paws, cover your paws. Who has made you so comfortably cozy? Mr. Momo. Was it you all along, Mr. Momo? You were the comfortably cozy dog. and relax. Relax on the sofa on the pillow. Oh, there your butt is lying open, your back is lying open. Just cover your back also.
What about the
You need to
paws?
feel warm. But when covering the back, the paws are to be seen. When covering the paws, the back is to be seen. You need to compromise with something. I think you like this. Oh, Mr. Momo.
Maybe he likes.
Oh, Mr. Momo is like a sandwich. There, anything is to be seen? No. All cozy, cozy.
There you go.
Cozy Momo. Cozy Momo. Cozy Momo. Oh, so nice. Tender and calm. Sleeping on the sofa is Momo the dog. Oh, so sweet, tender and nice. So loving and adorable. Hi, Mama. Mama. Mama, what are you doing? On the lamp. Momo's here. Aryan's here on the rocking chair.
And Grandpa Ari.
Oh, so cute.
Make me some tea
Oh,
for your grandpa.
look at these two. So photogenic. Both of you. Momo. Momo. Hi. You are so cute, Momo. The little Perth dog.
Also put those
The
tea.
doggy of Western Australia, Perth. Aren't you?
Also look, see?
Momo, is that you? No? Is that you, Momo?
He seems more fuzzy, but I never saw. But I don't think he wears a shirt, and I don't think he's unhappy.
Oh, there you are, Momo.
Yes,
There you are. They're your friends, aren't they, Momo? Momo and friends. Friends of Momo.
Thomas and friends.
Momo, look at your friends.
It's like Thomas and friends, but Momo and friends.
Momo. Oh, Momo. Oh, little Momo. So cute. Taily wags. Momo, you got a little toy. You got another friend. Who's that?
It's Mr. Oink Oink.
Oink Oink is your friend, Momo. Oh, look. Oh.
Oh, he's protecting his friend.
Look at you. Momo. You're tiny but feisty. Oh, you little cutie. You little cutie boy. Are you a good boy, Momo? He's a little teddy bear. What's Aryan doing? Just a little ball. Momo! Hi! There's Momo, everybody. Say hi to Momo.
Hello, Momo.
We got our heaters on. It's a rainy day and it's really cold over here. Ooh. Hi, Momo. Like my shoes? Like these fluffy shoes, Momo? What do you think of them? Momo likes it. You're watching TV, Momo. Momo's watching TV.
Oh, look, he's in the kitchen now.
Momo likes cheese, Momo. Like cheese. Cheese, Momo. Momo likes cheese. Yummy, yummy salad, Momo. It's a yummy salad we are making today, Momo. Yeah. It's a beautiful sight happening in the kitchen at Perth, Western Australia, WA at the moment. We are enjoying and cooking this lovely salad. There's Momo. Oh, Momo. Look at the doggy. So sweet, guys. Momo. Oh. Hi, Momo. Hi. Oh, go to sleep. What a nice, loving dog. What a sweetie pie you are. What a cutie pie you are, Momo. Oh, so sweet. So loving, so tender, so kind and so cute. Oh, little boy. You are so adorable, Momo. You are so fluffy, Momo. Oh, little Momo. So tiny. Look at your ears. Are you a dog or are you a teddy bear? I think you are a teddy bear. You're so tired. What did you do today? Are you relaxed? What's going on, Momo? Oh, little dogs are so precious, so cute, so loving, loyal, devoted, and very nice. You are the security guard of this house, Momo. You have guard dog duties. Are you guarding this house properly? He's the security bodyguards. Oh, he's having a nap. Little Momo is having a nap. So cute. Oh, rockabye Momo. Oh, Momo. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Oh, little doggy. Look at Momo, everybody. Momo. Momo, look at his teddy bear face. It's so adorable. You are so adorable, little dogs. Oh. Sleepy, sleepy, Momo, sleepy. Sleepy Momo, Momo sleeping. Why are you sleeping so early, Momo? I want to sleep. It's a playtime. Not playtime, it's sleepy time. Momo's not interested for playtime. Oh, Momo's alert. You were just sleeping and you woke up. That was quick, Momo. Were you having a nap? Would you like to talk to me? Do you speak English or do you speak Bow Bow? What is your language, Momo? Is it a universal doggy language? Oh, look at you, Momo. Just pinch your cheeks. You don't like your cheeks to be pinched. Look at your little tails. Look at this tail. Momo the boy dog. Hey, Momo. Hey, Momo. Momo. Show me the bear. Don't bite the bear, Momo. It's your friend. You can't bite the bear. No, you have to play with this teddy bear. You can't just bite the bear, Momo. See? It's going to scream now. I'm telling you. Give the teddy bear here, Momo. You cannot eat the teddy bear. It's your friend. Oh my God, Momo. You cannot eat your friends. You just have to play with them gently. Oh my God, he's eating this little teddy bear. Oh, Momo. Give me this teddy bear. Let me see. Show me. What have you done to the teddy bear? Don't pull, don't pull. Oh, little Momo's having a little playtime with his friend. Aren't you, Momo? It's time for play. After nap time, it's playtime and eating time and pooping time and sleeping time and peeing time and sleeping again. That's your day. And then guard dog duties and bodyguard security duties. So many things you have to do in a day. So many things are happening in a day, Momo. You know. Oh, it's a tug of war, Momo. Tug of war. Momo versus teddy bear. Isn't it, Momo? Come back here, Momo. Oh, Momo. Look at you. You're having the playtime of your life. You like that teddy bear? Is that your favorite toy, Momo?
He took my bear.
Did you take Aryan's teddy bear? It's yours now, Momo. It's belonging to you. You claimed its rights. Oh, look at him.
Look.
Momo. Oh my God, you're a funny little dog, aren't you? You're the funniest dog I've ever seen, I guess. Look at you. You see what you're doing, Momo? Oh, you're so funny. You are so funny. It's not leaving it. It's got a tight grip on the teddy bear. Oh, Momo. He's tired. He's had it. He's had enough.
Well, he wants to sleep with his new teddy bear.
You want to sleep with Teddy and my legs too, please? Let it squeeze in here. Oh, Momo.
He will do anything to keep his. Well,
It's your precious teddy bear now, Momo. It's your precious, precious teddy bear. It's your precious teddy bear. Look at it. You also look like a teddy bear. That's the funny bit. You both look like teddy bears at the moment. The teddy bear looks like a teddy bear. Momo looks like a teddy bear. Momo, 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 Momo. Oh, wow. He is spicy. He's shaking his tail, wagging. Oh, look at you. You're doing yoga poses, Momo. Ouch, Momo. That's fast. You are such a lovely little dog. Look at you. So cute. Momo. Hi, Momo.
Try for it.
Oh, look at this. What you have done to this. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Momo is waiting for the bear.
So close.
Oh, look at the flying bear, Momo. The bear is flying. You are jumping.
It's like a cat and a bird.
Do you like that bear so much, Momo?
What?
He's become best friends with you now. You both have become best friends. There. Oh, little Momo. Look at your reflexes, Momo. Look at your teddy bear face. Oh, so cute. Ever so gentle and kind. You look like you're smiling. Is that a smile I'm seeing, Momo? Is that a little smile I'm seeing on your face? No, it's not smiling. It's anticipation. What's happening to your friend, the teddy? What's happening to him? He's up in the air. He's hanging from the air.
He doesn't know where it is.
Oh, little one.
He's bouncing.
Oh my goodness, Momo. Aryan's training Momo
Paw.
to do paw. Momo's just
Paw.
wanting to eat his treats.
Paw.
Aryan, my boy. He didn't want to wash off his face painting, so he carefully had a shower by maintaining as much as he could. Looks good still. It's not yet wrecked. Kind of fading, but not really. It's a good one. I like it, isn't it, Aryan? You look like Aquaman. Oh, Momo. Momo, 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 Momo. How are you, Momo? How are you, Momo? Hmm? Little chap, you should have come to the Mandra markets today. Oh, teddy bear. Oh, you're watching TV, are you, teddy dog? Oh, oh, you're enjoying a TV programs? Are you? TV programs with Aryan? Are you listening to me, Momo? You're comfy with Aryan watching TV in the evening, relaxing away. Watching all the games all the time, all the gamings of the boys. Are you, Momo? Momo. Oh, look at you, post all your posts and everything. Momo. Momo. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Momo? Oh, you are rockabye, Momo. Oh, oh, little Momo. Sweetie Momo, you want a treat, honey. That's why you're in the kitchen. Oh, Momo.
Round? Can you go round?
Not sit, Momo. You need to go around, honey. Not even stand. Round and round. Good boy, round.
Sit. Good boy and paw.
Paw, Momo, paw. Oh, so sweet, honey. Good job. You got your treat, honey. Go enjoy. Oh, that was a well-deserved treat. Momo boy. Momo boy. Mama, your little toy is here, honey. Yeah. Here you go, little one. Don't it. Mama. Nice? Yeah. Yummy.
He's
Yummy.
licking his now.
That means it was yummy. Hope all of you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.